and this is my presentation on science. The presentation is about weather. My presentation is day of April 26, 2024. My presentation is about weather and about happen on April 26. Expected of happen is raining on part of Mindanao. About Pag-asa. Rainfall advisory. Portion of Agusan del Sur, Surigao del Norte, this you see, Surigao del Sur, Zamboanga Sibugay, Zamboanga City. Now, do you see the name of raining advisory? Okay, this is representation of heat advisory and this part of Mindanao. Okay, this is a presentation of hat. Do you see the name of this hat? And the action of part of heat. And that's hat. The hat of panahon is 47 degrees Celsius on Dagupan, Pangasinan, and 46 degrees Celsius Apari, Cagayan, Aborlan, Palawan. 27 Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius is Caution. 33 to 41 degrees Celsius is extreme caution. 42 to 51 degrees Celsius is danger, and 52 degrees Celsius is extreme danger. Okay, this is my end of my presentation.